Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution or video quality on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the camera app. And now let's tap on this settings icon. It should be on the second position. Now let's tap on the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find the video section, which is right here. And here we've got only one option, video quality, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got only 3 qualities from which we can choose. Now we've got mid, medium applied, but we can also set high or low, and I highly recommend to choose the best possible quality, so let me tap on high. As you can see, it immediately changes. It is ticked and marked, so it means that from now on we will record videos in chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.